Hello everyone, in this video we are going to work out a problem involving formula, and this is example number 2. Make x the subject of the formula. S is equals to w root of s squared minus x squared. Now the first step here, we have to square both sides of the formula. So we have s squared is equals to w squared times s squared minus x squared. Of course, when we square the root sign, it goes. Now, we multiply this, becomes s squared is equals to w squared s squared minus w squared x squared. Now, next step, we take w squared s squared on the left side of the formula. So we'll have s squared minus w squared s squared is equals to negative w squared x squared. This is the same as w squared x squared is equals to w squared s squared minus s squared. Now, we need to make x the subject of the formula. So next step here, we have to divide both sides by w squared. So x squared is equals to w squared s squared minus s squared over w squared. The next step, or the last step here, we have to get the square root of x squared. We need to have x alone. So the square root of x squared is x is equals to, so we square both sides on the right hand side and on the left hand side of the formula. So x is equals to plus or minus root of w squared s squared minus s squared over w squared.